Hi there, everyone. Today I want to do a unboxing for the accessories, but I got from Target. They're from Jazz Pacific. Assuming so they're from Target. So this one is this one is the Fancy Nancy and Moana. So we means Moana. Oh no, so we means Moana and Fancy Nancy. So so let's start with the Fancy Nancy real quick. Supposed to be a T-Rex, I'm guessing. Look how tiny. Okay, so here it is, a Fancy Nancy. This one is called. Oh, just hold on to my phone. It's called the Tiara and Necklace set for the Fancy Nancy. All right, so now let's open it. Come on. Here's just another phone. Let's just real quick. Okay, so here is Nancy's tiara. Oh, I need the Nancy's tiara. This one is a wow. Look at the beautiful flowers and the butterfly in it. Whitney is Nancy. Here's are the hearts. Of course, these are the shape. And there's a back here. And now you do. Oh yes, so this one is. Oh, yes, oh yeah. So you can wear it everywhere. You like any you like. And of course, here's the necklace. And this one is the butterfly, and the other is the jewels, the gems, the flowers, and so here there's a, and this way right, this one real quick, and this one here. Yeah, and this one right here, his picture of Fancy, this picture of Fancy Nancy for necklace. So that's tiara and necklace from Fancy Nancy. I'm gonna put it right here. Oops. Oh, there is another. All right, but now let's do it. Now let's do it in Moana. This one is Moana. This was named Moana. It's called. Oh yeah, I think it's called Moana's Magical Necklace. It's magical Moana's necklace. It's just like Fancy. So this one is just like Fancy Nancy. And now let's open it. I can't believe this. Come on. Here we go. Oops. Here's some here. Oh. Whoa. Leland! Lee! Dude! What happened to focus? Something's on. He just took my car. Oh my gosh. Here we go, here. Lee, get over here. Something right here. Lee, Leland just took my car. He drove off again. Alright, so here is Moana's necklace. Leland just took my car. And this one is and this one right here you can wear another one. And there's here's it's a picture. So open it here. Oh wow, that's hard to find just later. Alright, so let me show you the later on. Let's open this up. And there's a harder tea feeder. Let's close it up. Oops. That's a slice up there. It's oh, and the come on. Oh yeah, there it goes. There's in the back here. You press like this, and it'll slice up. Just open up here. Oh my god, it's a lot of it. Let's slice up again. Oh crap! This happened like a couple weeks ago, didn't it? There he is, Jay.
Wow. Look at beautiful hearts here. This one's Moana, Fancy Nancy. So wait a minute, so this one's the Fancy Nancy and Moana. Here, so thank you so much for watching my Bossy and Moana and Fancy Nancy. They're from Jasper Pacific, only at Target. Thanks for watching. Bye.